Are you enjoying your visit, or are you getting bored?
Yeah, I'm enjoying.
I brought my phone to take a picture if it will take it. Sometimes it acts up and won't take it, or it'll go sideways when I want it up and down. And
I just go straight over here, can I? Or do I have to go all the way down the Happy Valley?
you can go straight if you want to. You can turn here, but it's a winding, narrow road. I usually go on to Happy Valley. So all we needed was another oil change place right on this main drag. Not much changed here on this drag. Video store finally closed it. I didn't know we'll see it during this time of evening. They finally caught the kid that robbed the gas station here that I trade at. You know, it took about 3 months, but they finally tracked him down. The fellow that manages here is Hispanic, but he's the one that lived in Benson, Arizona, and was a manager of the Holiday Inn across from the cave.
Okay.
He's got two of the sweetest kids. Was it $2.39? The gas is down then.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's cheap here.
I'm hoping we can go all the way around the square and end up on this side of the courthouse if there's any parking there. But we now have taverns here, although they're not called taverns, they're restaurants with alcohol. They've got a big one on the square now. Used to be Nancy's, and now it's Highland something or other. The dermatologist I go to is in this white building over here. Children is still in the business. I didn't think they'd make it very much here. The big Christmas tree is down that way a little bit. Last year it was right on this corner. But they've added a whole big few on the corners here which they haven't had before.
See why there's no traffic.
Yeah.
There's nothing to see. God.
Well, for a small town, it's pretty.
Okay.
But I was hoping we could pull in one of these spots right here, nearest the tree, wherever the tree is.
I don't know. I see several trees.
Yeah, I guess it's the big one up there.
Stop right behind me.
For a little town, I think the lights are pretty pretty.
Okay.
And
I think Belleville, which is a fraction of the size of this town, does 10 times better.
yeah, probably so.
County seat town.
Chris, thank you for the helping hand there.
Uh-huh.
I got one picture anyway, but you know how to take pictures better than I do. Thank you for making a good spot.
Okay.
They always decorated pretty there. You gotta remember, I see things darker than you do, so maybe
Yeah.
to me it's dark out. I didn't get a set of Santa's map. I remember the one Christmas I was in Minnesota and we went to this one store. I guess that Shelly traded in or liked or something, and they had a Santa there.